One more time. Hopi got a package. What do you think's inside there?
A bunny? Do you think it's alive?
Shake it.
It's not alive.
I wonder if you hit it hard enough it would sing.
Fun.
Okay, hurry. Open it. I wonder if it's gonna be the same. What do you think, Hopi? Yay or nay?
Yay.
What's the names? What could it be?
It could be Rosebud or Fun. I just have to look at it and see which yay it should be.
Oh my goodness, Hopi.
Keep pulling it. Keep pulling it. Okay, pull it.
Is Hopi gonna cry? What do you think? Oh my goodness! What do you think?
Open it. I think it looks like just like the same.
Oh,
Can
it's
it sing?
Fun. Cuddle him. Does he feel cozy and soft?
Yeah, he's soft.
Put his ears on your cheek like you did Fun. Oh. What do you say?
Thank you. From the first office.
Give Daddy a hug.
Is it it's just as soft as Bun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can make him dirty and gray if you want, so he looks like the other
You gotta
Bun.
polish it right there.
Oh, you gotta put a cutie mark.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, hi, little Fun.
Wait, may I see?
Fun.
May I see him? What if you hugged him too tight? You made him sing. Am I doing it right? Won't happen.
Are you happy, Hopi? Yay.